watching BTV.
Welcome back to BTV. The Novarc SWR spool welding robot is actually a cobot, a robot that works alongside a human welder. Using AI and automation, it boosts productivity and quality and improves welder ergonomics.
Novarc is a very unique robotic company in that we design a full stack of a tailored robotic solution, including the robot, the control system, the vision, data, and AI that meets but also exceeds the customer's needs and expectations.
Anybody that has a pipe fabrication facility that is servicing building construction, oil and gas, shipbuilding, wastewater treatment, that is the target that we're going after, because they are finding that this is a tool that's allowing them to compete both regionally and nationally more aggressively.
Black McDonald invested in the SWR because we wanted to safely improve the productivity of our welding processes. The SWR is very easy to work into the processes that we currently use. We were shocked to see that there was a 3 times increase in productivity using the SWR, but we're also very pleased at the high level of safety it provides to our workers.
Most organizations are looking for capital equipment purchases to be paid back within 36 months. We're typically 6 to 18 months for being able to do that. This technology, the spool welding robot specifically, is definitely the way of the future.
We have been surprised to some degree by the growth of the company across the board, from Fortune 500 companies to mechanical contractors spanning all metropolitan areas across North America. We have seen a growth of 1,235% since the product launch in 2016, ranking us number 45 among the top fastest growing companies in Canada. We expect this growth to continue at a faster rate, both domestically and internationally.
For a closer look at this innovative company, visit novarctech.com.